how to increase Snapchat score fast. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can increase your Snapchat score very fast. So it's going to be pretty easy, pretty simple, so just make sure to watch this tutorial to the end. All you're going to need to do is you're going to Snapchat. Obviously, you're going to go to your chats and then just take a snap, okay? Just take a random snap. Then you're going to click send it to as many people as you can because it doesn't matter. Send it to as many people as you can. And then once you do that, obviously you're going to take another snap and send it to the same people again and again. And from there on out, you don't even have to choose everyone. It's going to show an option which says last sent to. So you're just going to click that one option and it's going to keep sending snaps to those people. So that is how you can increase your Snapchat score really fast and really easily. So if you enjoyed that information, please drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, please let me know down in the comments below. Yeah, until then, I hope to see you all the next time. Thank you for watching, and that was all from me. Goodbye.